Imagine waking up tomorrow. You look outside. The sky is completely dark. The sun is gone. Not hidden. Not eclipsed. Gone. At first, people might think it's a massive solar eclipse. But hours pass, and the darkness never ends. Streetlights turn on. Cities panic. And scientists realize something impossible has happened. Without sunlight, Earth would stop receiving almost all of its solar energy. Temperatures would begin falling. Fast. The days would become freezing nights, and the planet would slowly turn into a dark, colder world. Then comes another disaster. Plants need sunlight for photosynthesis. Without it, crops stop producing energy. Plants begin weakening. Agriculture starts collapsing. And the food chain suddenly has a massive problem. But the oceans wouldn't instantly freeze. They contain enormous amounts of stored heat. For the first few days, much of the deep ocean would remain relatively warm. But the surface? It would become increasingly cold and hostile. Billions of people would depend on artificial heating, electricity, and stored food. Governments would declare emergencies. Supermarkets would be emptied. Power grids would face enormous pressure. And every hour without sunlight would make survival harder. And here's something strange. The moon would also disappear from our view. Because the moon doesn't create its own light. It only reflects sunlight. The night sky would become dramatically darker. After 7 days, Earth wouldn't be a frozen solid ball. Not yet. But the surface would be dramatically colder. Plants would be suffering. Animals would be struggling. And civilization would be fighting to maintain heat, food, and electricity. But then, imagine the sun suddenly returning. The sky lights up. Temperatures begin recovering. Solar power comes back. Plants can begin photosynthesizing again. Humanity gets a second chance. But what if the sun didn't return after 7 days? What if it disappeared? For a month? A year? Or forever? How long do you think humanity could survive without the sun? Comment your answer. And follow Atlas Films for the next mind-bending what-if scenario.